go. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this. Tell 'em run it up.
Hey guys, so we are back at it again, and today we're about to cross off something on our bucket list, at least mine. What are we about to do today?
We're gonna go grab some breakfast at the world famous Cafe Du Monde in New Orleans. I think it's near Bourbon Street.
Yeah, I think Bourbon Street's like a block or so away.
As we passed, we saw a mile-long line, so that's gonna be fun to wait in, but we're gonna get some of their famous beignets this morning.
Yeah, and this location I found out is open 24/7 and also only serves beignets and no other food. Like beignets and coffee, right?
Yeah, and they've been open since like the 1800s, so they've been around quite a long time.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it.
So we just got seated at Cafe Du Monde, and there was a huge,
So even though there was a long line outside, we got it seated pretty quickly. What are you doing over here with your blanket?
As you can see, there is an insane amount of powdered sugar. I have a dark shirt on, and I can just see it going everywhere.
I think we waited a total of like 10 minutes. Like we sat down, the lady came to get our stuff, and then all of a sudden, like 5 minutes later, we had like our beignets. And I got hot chocolate, and Laura got a coffee. But it was a pretty quick service.
One big helpful tip: bring lots of cash. We didn't realize it was cash only.
Yeah, New Orleans. I feel like New Orleans is like the city is cash only.
Yeah, we had to run across the street and get some cash while we waited for our food.
That's a really big tip to know, because a lot of people don't realize that.
And they take your money as soon as they bring you your food. She was like, $14 as soon as she brought it out.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you burn me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you burn me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning.
Tip number 2 for coming to Cafe Du Monde is don't wear a black shirt. Like look at this. I'm getting powdered sugar everywhere.
You should have done what I did. I made a makeshift bib.
I should have, but honey, you still got some right here.
Yeah. I'll react if I had to. Put some things in the past too, and don't let them distract you, but react if you have to. I'll react if I had to. Put some things in the past too, and don't let them distract you, but react if you have to.
We just finished up at Cafe Du Monde, and it was absolutely amazing and worth the hype. I am incredibly full now. All I had was 3 beignets and a cup of coffee.
It's so good. Like it's been on our bucket list forever, and I don't know how to explain it. Like I'm so really surprised with how fast the service was.
Yeah, they sat us down like really quick. There was someone just running outside of the line and making people come inside and saying, sit there, sit there.
And the line was so long. Like it says we literally got in, as I said earlier, we got in, got out, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Make sure you have cash and don't wear black shirts.
I am covered in powdered sugar right now, but it was very much worth it. And we are gonna go walk off this delicious food, but I am ready for a nap, I think.
But Thanks guys for watching. I'm so glad we were able to cross this off the bucket list before we left.
Definitely recommend come check out Cafe Du Monde while you're here because it's worth it and it wasn't that much of a hassle.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it like a 9.
Same. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below.
And let us know if you would check out Cafe Du Monde if you came to New Orleans.
Yes. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.